Hello everyone, I am teacher Nika. So today we're gonna talk about common English mistakes, né? Ireo fadsoana ataontsika matetika rehefa miteny English. Okay, the first one is I'm angry. I'm angry. No, we say I agree. I agree. All right. Second one, I lost the bus. I lost the bus. No, we say I missed the bus. I missed the bus. The last one is we are four. We are four. Mm-mm. There are four of us. There are four of us. Pamanina sumetre we are four. Can you do me how many are you in a family? How many are you in a family? The mamale noe, we are four. But this one zay, then dik zay we, ifatun no, ifatun yan okay? Fa, iften we, there are four of us. Ratitin no, ifatizaya, no, awachan, okay? Alright, that's all about these common mistakes in English. So, I invite you to join us here at Speaker Academy to improve your English and also to master English in a short period of time. Don't forget that English is learnable, American accent is learnable, so it's possible for you to get an American accent with the good methods. All right, so come and join us and don't forget to practice your English every day because more you practice, more you become fluent. All right, guys, see you in the next video. Bye.